I guess good to have you back on the channel. Nexus recently released their version 5.4, and today we're going to be doing overview of the plugin. We're going to be seeing some of the stuff that were promised, if it made up with our expectation, and I'm also going to be mentioning some stuff that I show you in the previous Nexus video. So if you haven't watched that video yet, then you might want to do yourself the favor to check on to watch those two videos. One is how to install Nexus content library on a separate backup, and the other is 5 things you should know before getting to use Nexus. And that's the video that's gonna save you a lot if you're using previous version of Nexus, because previous version of Nexus, there are a lot of stuff we experience when it comes to crashing, and that's the main reason we are on this other version of Nexus today, which is the version 5.4. So no time to waste, all of us to go through this plugin and see how fast, how cool it is to work with it during our time of production. I'm Durigan, let's do this. If you install this Nexus, you won't have your library like this. The way all of my library is now installed, you won't have it, but don't panic. If you watch my Nexus video where I show you how to install your library on a separate backup, then you will know exactly what to do. But just in case this is the first video you come across from me, now let me show you how to do that. So if you just install the update of Nexus, all of your library won't be here. They will tell you missing library file. What you can do is just minimize your FL Studio and then locate the folder which you install all of your Nexus library in. If you remember, if you watched that video, you remember I told you this file that said update Nexus library location. I reminded you to keep it closed up so that whenever you are in need of it, you can get hold of it, right? Now, this is the file you're just going to double click on, and boom, now Nexus is going to reload itself, and then it's going to find all of your library on your backup folder. This might happen if your library is on your C drive or is on your D drive, you know what I'm saying? So call along matter short, you just have to have this to where you can easily access it, and then just double click on it, and then Nexus will just load up all of your sound library. So if that's one of the problems we are facing, this is the solution. Now let's go ahead to select few of the sounds to see how cool the sounds are in this plugin. So just so you know, I'm currently in the Latin horse bank and I'm using the sequence because when it comes to Nexus, that's one of the way I love to find my sound. Some of the sounds I use, I just go through the sequence and then I just pick one of the sequence and just solo the rest of the sound and then just go ahead using the ones I want. That's just one secret about me using Nexus. I just share with you so you can start to use that too, and then trust me, your result is gonna be way more impressive. Now we come to this Afro horse bank here. We have some sequence here. Another stuff that is very cool about Nexus is the synth, all of the synth preset, bro. You don't want to miss them. And at any point you can favorite. And I love the fact, I don't know if you've noticed, selecting between presets is now way more smoother. Just click and things are just happening. And before I go, I also want you to know that since I've been trying this plugin out, since I installed it, I haven't really faced any problem with it yet. And I cannot say there's no problem. That's why I'm gonna continue on trying. I'm gonna be checking on some stuff, especially when it comes to this part of the plugin. I'm gonna see if there's any stuff I should share with you in the future on the condition or on the pro level. I will definitely be sharing those tips with you. And that's one of the main reasons you might wanna use the sub button to be a part of this channel, because yeah, I openly share some tips and tricks on your music making with you here. You understand? So yeah, that's just it. And now let's come to this drill bank here, and then after we call it the end. In the drill bank, let's try the guitar category. Let's see. This muted guitar, as you can see, is already a favorite. As to tell you that I use it a lot. Yeah, I use it. It's very, you understand? And we also have brass here. not much price in here, and then let's double click, and then boom, we have it loaded here. Now if I press my keyboard, yes guys, that's it for this video. Just as I said, now I'm not noticing any issue. I'm not noticing any stuff since I installed it. I'm enjoying it. It's working pretty much fine. I will do more deep dive, and if there's any issue I found, I will let you know. But if there's no issue, I will also come up with some pro tips on this plugin so that you can get additional way to go about using this plugin. As always, I'm your boy Diri again. If you're new here, and I say thanks for staying to the end of this video. And if you like this video, you might as well like other videos. So you might want to use the sub button to be a part of this channel and drop a like on this video, and also share the video with somebody that you know is in need of video like this. As always, I'm your boy Diri again. Stay peaceful.